Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add a multi-column layout in your contact form in WordPress website. So first of all, let me go here in website dashboard, and now you need to install a plugin that's called WPForms. Here you can go and you can easily install this plugin. But to add multi-column in your contact form, then you need to get the pro version of this plugin. Simply you can go here, WP Forms. So this one is the official website where you can easily get this plugin. Then after that you can go back here. So let me go in installed plugins, scroll down, and here you can see this one is active. So now let's go in WP Forms, then all forms. Scroll down, and now let me edit this form. Now scroll down. So for example, if you want to add the phone number field next to the email field, then let me scroll down, and this one is the phone field. So before adding this, I need to add a layout, this one, then drag this here, and after that phone field, drag it on the right side. So now you can also make these fields as large. After that, click on save button. Now let's reload this contact form page. So now here you can see multi-column layout is added.